That's bad, isn't it? All right, so we are going to attempt the climb. Haven't decided to turn back, only because of these guys. My vote was to go back. So let's see how far we make it. Let's see how long this rain lasts. We're just now starting to climb up to Asama 2000. It's about 10 Ks and it's about 900 meters of climbing, and the average gradient's 9%. So this is a really tough climb.
Start of the climb, feel pretty good. Taking it easy. Stopped raining. No complaints.
He may not be complaining, but I am. This is steep. So we're heading up just to that pass. We're up there to the top right. It's a ski resort area with food and I think lodging. So that's 2,000 meters, hence the name Asama 2000. How you feeling, Jason?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
Feeling strong. A little bit wet and a little bit cold.
What's your thoughts of the first half of the ride?
Good fun. It's steep.
This is the point in the climb where getting real tired. Got about 300 meters left to climb, and it couldn't get here soon enough because it keeps going on and on and on. But it's a great climb. So about 50 meters in altitude from the top, about now 1,950 meters. And normally right here, it's a stunning view, but because of the rain, can't see much of anything. And while I don't mind climbing in the rain, I'm really worried about going down, just for how slick the roads is, and most importantly how cold, because I don't think I brought proper clothing. So. So kind of you boys to wait on me.
Well, you missed the ice cream. We already had it.
Oh, come on now.
Yeah, we'll buy you an ice cream.
So we're pretty high up, 2,000 meters.
Where's the onsen?
And you normally have a good view, but not when you're in the cloud.
Use in your heart. Use in the heart.
That's harder than I remember. I think that's called being out of shape.
When's the last time you did it?
This
time last year?
Last August, yeah. What'd you say you're getting?
Cabbage ice cream, hot coffee.
Cabbage. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on the cabbage ice cream.
I haven't had one. That's how we do it all the summer.
Coffee culture?
Coffee culture.
Yeah.
It's not a destination unless there's a coffee shop.
So Jason gets the King of the Mountain award today. He beat us all by what?
A football field.
A football field.
So I was told.
All right, dude, you got ice cream. But we all get ice creams.
We're all winners.
So finally starting to get some decent weather. Looks like the storm's passing. And then that's the Sama right there. So. Oh, it's gonna be cold. All right, here we go.